Luna?
It has missiles and it has a propeller. And these things are the explosioners. If they fall down, they will explode the bad guys that are riding cars or maybe motorcycles. It will explode once they're down now to their vehicles. And these things will destroy other helicopters. After these things are next. These three are next, not this one, or it will broke this thing and now this thing. So we're just gonna make it the booster packs. Wait, I haven't finished it. Wait, give me a sec. Just give me a. There. Now what was I saying? Oh yeah. This is the booster pack. If one of them is really fast, they try the booster pack. It will go more faster, like almost like a bullet train. If you want more bullet packs, you add them right here or maybe here. Or if you don't want them to get destroyed, you can just add them right underneath here. Like this, huh? It will go more faster. It will get more faster than a bullet train. Like it will go like 1,000 miles per hour. Oh no, it broke! No. It will go like that. But once it's too fast, they will slow it down and now they might crash into a hill like that. See you later. Bye-bye.